In today's food processing industry, efficiency, hygiene, and safety are more critical than ever. Facilities are under constant pressure to increase output, reduce costs, and meet strict regulatory standards, all while operating in some of the most demanding environments imaginable. Traditionally, internal logistics, moving products between processes, has relied heavily on manual labor. This creates a number of challenges. It's labor-intensive, costly, and difficult to scale. It exposes workers to hazardous conditions like wet floors, heavy loads, and repetitive strain. And most importantly, it introduces hygiene risks through human handling, increasing the chance of contamination. This is where robotic automation changes everything. The Capra Carrier is an autonomous mobile robot designed specifically for food processing environments. It automates internal transport, creating a safer, more efficient, and more hygienic operation. With improved health and safety, the robot removes the need for staff to manually move heavy loads across slippery or uneven floors. This significantly reduces workplace injuries and fatigue, while improving overall working conditions. From a hygiene perspective, the Capra platform is IP65 rated and built for washdown environments. Its surfaces are easy to clean and sanitize, helping reduce contamination risks and supporting compliance with strict food safety standards. Deployment is fast and seamless. Using AI-powered mapping, the robot can understand your facility and become operational within hours. It integrates with existing systems like conveyors, gates, and PLC controls, meaning minimal disruption to your current setup. Once deployed, the system enables uninterrupted logistics flow. Goods are transported continuously and reliably between processes, eliminating bottlenecks and reducing downtime. And by automating these repetitive tasks, you reduce labor dependency and free up your workforce to focus on higher value activities, improving productivity across the entire operation. The result is a smarter, safer, and more efficient food processing facility. At Robot Center, we don't just supply robots, we deliver complete end-to-end solutions from consultancy and integration to deployment and ongoing support. If you're ready to transform your food processing operations with robotics, now is the time to act.